How to get Instagram on a school Chromebook. Now, what people usually do is just by creating a specific bookmark and then naming it as unblocked and then just simply pressing it multiple times and you should be able to access Instagram in your school Chromebook. Well, that actually takes, a lot of time and it's only around 60 to 70% that it's going to be working. Now, what you can try to do on your end is just to access your school Chromebook and then head to the three dots at the top right portion and go to your school Chromebook settings. And from here, just head down directly to privacy and security. And then from here, just go to third-party cookies and make sure that this option here is enabled or turned on that says allow third-party cookies. Now, once you have turned it on, refresh your page, try to re-access Instagram.com. And if it's not yet opening, what you can try to do again is just to choose on block third-party cookies in incognito mode. Refresh the page again to see if it is already working. So those are the other thing that you can do for you to be able to get Instagram on your school Chromebook.